we are going to today, like I have mentioned in the group, we are going to do one case study, right? An interesting case study. We will first see that how a women entrepreneur turned a problem into an opportunity. कैसे एक प्रॉब्लम को अपॉर्चुनिटी में टर्न कर दिया, दैट वी विल सी. एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू सी द मेन टॉपिक which is factors affecting the growth of entrepreneurship. This topic is there in the syllabus and many times it is asked in exam also. So the question is there in exam and you need to answer it. So let us start. Right now, see, there was a person whose name was Jigisha. She belonged to small village in Gujarat and came to Ahmedabad when she was very young. Right, so a person from rural India came to Ahmedabad when she was very young. She had come to make money, पैसा कमाने के लिए, because family was very poor, so everything was on her shoulders. Her friends gave her money, many ideas to earn money and start a business, but being rich she couldn't complete her education. पैसा नहीं होने की वजह से education भी complete नहीं हो सकता था, right? She couldn't do anything. So what happened was that she got an idea of buying an auto to make enough money. Imagine a girl, a woman, and an auto rickshaw. Being a woman and driving an auto was not a favorable decision for family. Family वालों ने मना कर दिया, friends ने भी मना कर दिया कि एक लड़की होके how can you drive an auto? And friends also told her that please don't take the risk. This is a big risk. Don't do that, right? But she continued doing it. For many years, Jigisha was like she drew the auto rickshaw like other male automobiles, but this neither gave her the satisfaction. उनको satisfaction नहीं हुआ, and customers एक woman की auto में बैठने के लिए ज़्यादा ready नहीं होते थे, as compared to sitting or hiring an auto rickshaw of a man, right? So what happened? She thought that I should do something else. So with time, she changed her behavior, started being cordial. अच्छे से relations she maintained, talking to people, right? Started sharing her own story and listened to their stories also. उनकी भी stories उनने सुनना शुरू कर दिया. Then she came up with a modern auto wali concept. See guys, this is very important. उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया? She provided her customers with special curb services, like उन्होंने अपने ऑटो रिक्शा में टी मशीन बैठा लिया, right? So that she can serve hot tea. Imagine a very good example of an entrepreneur. एक तो लड़की, ऊपर से ऑटो खरीद के ऑटो चलाना, उसमें टी मशीन्स को actually install karna, to install a tea machine into that. And then not just tea, but she understood that her customers are Gujarati. So why not in Gujarati, if I'm driving, then why not give them snacks services like samosa, dhokla, sandwiches. She also said that आपको जो song सुनना है, आपकी song का choice जो भी है, I'm going to play it on my music system. She also used to keep newspaper and free Wi-Fi for the customers who chose to sit in the auto rickshaw. Such an innovative example, guys, of a entrepreneur. आप समझ सकते हो, ये एक आइडिया जो किसी भी ऑटो वाले को नहीं आ सकता, एक ऑटो वाली को आया. Being a woman also, she came up with this. Next, for this, she made a tie-up with famous snack shops. अच्छा, उनको snacks provide करने थे, right? तो उन्होंने एक snack shops के साथ tie-up कर लिया कि जब भी वहां से गुजरेगी, वो fresh snacks ही लेगी, खरीद लेगी, right? जिसमें उनको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा क्योंकि वो रोज परचेज कर रही है, तो उसके उनके कस्टमर्स को वो आराम से वो स्नैक्स ऑफर कर सकती है. सो शी मेड अ टाई अप विद फेमस स्नैक शॉप ऑफ अहमदाबाद एंड वुड डिलीवर हर स्नैक्स और बाय हर स्नैक्स फॉर द होल डे whenever she passed by. So imagine such a good idea or concept she came up with. People now asked her number. धीरे धीरे देखो guys, scenario change होता गया, right? People started asking for her number, right? And special auto service of pickup and drop, right? उनको ये फैसिलिटी मिली, वो प्री बुक होने लगी ना। अगले दिन लोग उनको कॉल करने लगे, पीपल यूज टू कॉल हर एंड शी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग प्री बुक्ड, right? Because of what happened, right, she would make enough money to save and send back the amount at home. अब उनका खर्चा तो वो चला ही रही थी, खुद का खर्चा, बट उनके साथ साथ she started sending the money to her home as well. घर पे भी पैसे भेजना उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया. शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस ऑल्सो. शी हैज जॉइंड हैंड्स. अब उन्होंने क्या किया guys, she has joined hands with the other girls, other women also जिनके पास job नहीं है. Many such women who couldn't complete their studies and looking for employment, she has joined with those girls now, right? So she's now creating employment opportunities. Now the question arises of women's safety, right? Ek to auto rickshaw, driving in the metro city like Ahmedabad, right? Then what about safety? So for women's safety, they all decided to stay in touch with messaging each other in a WhatsApp group. As soon as they took any customer, they used to message themselves each other about their whereabouts. कितने बजे ऑटो कहाँ से किस बंदे ने ली है. They used to message each other and stay in touch with each other. So in case if anything goes wrong, they can like search each other or take an help of a police, right? So such an innovative idea, guys, one after the other. See how she has come up with the idea. Place and time, right? From where which customer took her customer service, at what time the customer has actually taken her auto rickshaw for pick and drop. Everything was messaged in the WhatsApp group. Everything about their whereabouts, कहाँ है, कितने बजे है, किसने कहाँ से ऑटो लिया, everything was mentioned by her and her fellow mates. Guys, isn't this an example of a true entrepreneur? This is a very good example of a women entrepreneur. So see, this is a case of real case of emergence of entrepreneurship. उनकी family condition की वजह से देखो क्या क्या हुआ, and because of that, see how she started driving an auto, and because of that driving of auto, see a woman driving an auto, delivering services, such good services to the customer, not just giving services of auto, offering them tea, offering them snacks, samosa, dhokla, whatever they want, playing their nice music whichever they wished to, giving them the newspaper if they want to wish to read it in her auto, or even supplying them Wi-Fi service in today's age. Guys, this is an example of a real good entrepreneurship, right? So see what challenges, this question is there from your university exam. What are the challenges in path of a women entrepreneur? Jigisha, the auto driver that we recently talked of, had self-confidence. So guys, many times the entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs do not have self-confidence that whether will I be able to fight, will I be able to emerge as a winner? So they need to develop self-confidence. They have to manage their finance. Initially, they'll have to buy it, borrow it, lend it from someone else, or they will have to take a loan. They see such a risk bearer she was, the case study that we saw. So women entrepreneur also has to take risk. Without risk you cannot have those benefits. So if you want to emerge as a winner, you definitely have to take some kind of risk. See such innovative ideas she had, right? uh, Driving an auto, being an women entrepreneur, she bought an auto. In that auto she installed a tea machine, hot tea machine. So customers used to get hot tea, right? They used to get the music whichever they want to listen of their own choice, right? Whichever snacks they wanted out of the one she had, she used to give them, right? She provided the Wi-Fi free service in her auto rickshaw also, right? So guys, this is a new ideas, such innovative ideas. Who can think of these services in an auto rickshaw nowadays in India? But she did it, right? Next were basic plan maker. She developed a plan, and then she worked upon that plan and joined hands with so many other women entrepreneurs, right? So this is a true quality of a plan maker. Aage kya karna hai, everything she was very clear cut. She had an idea what I want to do it in future. She was very much confident about being successful in future. She knew she is going to get successful, and that's why you can say that she was a basic plan maker. Next is, guys, that she was a team worker. खुद तो जॉब अपनी ले ही ली, बट खुद के साथ दूसरों को भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट जनरेट किया. हर वुमेन फेलो पीपल हु वर नॉट, who had not taken basic studies, then how would they run their day-to-day life? How would they earn food, money? Then she made a team of women, and she made a women entrepreneurship, you can say, very strong. See, this is the biggest point, challenge in the path of women entrepreneur. They have to fight and compete with the men dominance area. See, auto rickshaw is truly a male dominated profession, right? Everyone would agree that auto rickshaw is a purely a male dominated profession. But still, being a woman, she took this profession, and in this profession also she fought with every local competition of a man that was driving an auto rickshaw. So this is the biggest path for a woman, that if there is a male dominated profession, you have to make inroads into that male dominated profession. Next point is creativity. See how creative she was, providing a Wi-Fi, being a woman and providing Wi-Fi, and that too in an auto rickshaw to the customers who are moving from one place to another. This is a true sense of creative idea. No one can think of this. And why would people not take her auto if she is giving such creativity? Right? So definitely more number of customers will join her if she's so creative in her ideas. Next is employment generation for other women. Like I said, वो खुद का तो चला ही रही थी, right? रोजी रोटी, but उन्होंने दूसरों को वो रोजी रोटी दिलाए. She managed employment for other women, not men, but other women. So many women who were going through problems, they would have come out of these problems. So guys, this was the case study of a woman entrepreneur. And if a question is asked in GTU that what are the challenges in the path of a woman entrepreneur, then you can write down with the help of this case study these points, that these are the challenges that a woman need to overcome to become a successful entrepreneur. Let us go ahead, guys. Yes, one more point, a dynamic leader. Women has to develop a leadership quality, right? Self motivated, you can write down that also. You have to develop self motivation, that you can become a leader, develop yourself as a leader and work upon it. Next topic is, guys, your university exam question topic. In your syllabus it is mentioned, right? And the topic is, what factors affect or impact the emergence or growth of entrepreneurship? If you are an entrepreneur, right, then what are the factors that can affect if an entrepreneur is if a new entrepreneurship has to grow? किसी को अपना काम शुरू करना है, किसी को एक entrepreneur बनना है, then what what are those factors which are going to affect if someone is doing a new startup, a new entrepreneurship, right? So this chart every time would be displayed in every slide, right? This is the chart showing different factors like personality factors, environmental factors, right? Political factors, socio-economic factors, economic factors, and other factors. Every factor we are going to go in detail. So this chart will every time be there, so you will understand that from which topic or which factor we moved on to which other factor, that would be clearly known to you. But let us first know the general meaning. Someone says that there is a psychological theory attached to being an entrepreneur. When someone says this, psychological theory, then what does it mean, right? Is the way an entrepreneur thinks. Psychology kya hai entrepreneur ki? What is the psychology of the entrepreneur? What does he think about entrepreneurship, right? How he perceives, how he understands, how he visualizes himself and the environment around him, and this environment will have influence on his behavior, right? तो उनका behavior क्या है, कैसा है, what kind of feelings he has, what kind of attitude and opinions he has, this is all related to psychological factors. Psychological factors matter a lot, right? If a person has a positive attitude, a positive behavior, a positive imagination and visualization of future, then you can say that his psychology of becoming a new entrepreneur is nice, right? Moving ahead, guys, second is, right, the psychological theory is also related to the need and achievement of power, right? क्या है उनको कितना, how much he is more passionate about what he wants, right? कितना उनको जोर है कि उनको अचीव करके रहना ही है, पावर चाहिए या नहीं उनको, वो उनको इस चीजों को अपनी सेल्फ एस्टीम से जोड़ देते हैं, that I anyhow I want to become successful, anyhow I want to find success in my life. Recognition चाहिए कुछ लोगों को, right? कुछ लोगों को applause चाहिए, right? That someone should recognize me, clap hands for me, right? This ultimately motivates him more. So these are also your psychological factors to become an entrepreneur. The people who has from inside, they have this, that I want to become famous, I want to be recognized as a good entrepreneur. They will anyhow find the way to become a good entrepreneur. And this should be there, guys. This is nothing wrong. This is a very good way to motivate yourself. तो ये होना ही चाहिए in every person. This should happen. Yes, this should not overdrive you, it should not negatively affect you. Next is the sociological theory. What does a sociological theory say? Sociological theory is about the background. कहाँ से आता है बंदा, right? What is his background, right? Whether that background will become, will force him to become innovative or creative, right, in a particular field. Whether he has inferiority complex in him, राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज सोशल कंडीशंस, वो अपने आप को थोड़ा नीचे मानता है, राइट, क्योंकि उनकी सोशल कंडीशंस उतनी नहीं अच्छी है. वेदर ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ पुअर बैकग्राउंड, दैट इज ड्राइविंग हिम हिज inferior social conditions. Inferior and superior, they are opposite to each other. Superior means a person is coming from a good social background. Inferior means a person is coming from a poor social background. So are these inferior social conditions, right, actually driving him to become more creative? ऐसा नहीं है that inferior conditions will always bring negativity. Sometimes this inferior social conditions will always try him to find something new, to try something creative in the area, right? And this condition can always be used as an advantage instead of a disadvantage, right? So sociological theory matters a lot. Moving ahead, guys, moving to the other general theory, moving to the other general meaning. Economic theory से क्या मतलब है हमारा? What does the economic theory mean? Economic theory means, guys, that how innovator the person will be, how quickly he will identify the opportunities, exploit those opportunities, and turn into the marketable area, sellable idea, right? How he will take an opportunity and find out the sellable idea. I'll give you one example. COVID-19 happened, right? Those who were very firm that anyhow we want to earn, उन्होंने तो घर पे भी मास्क, सैनिटाइजर लाके अपने सोसाइटी के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, उनके फ्रेंड्स के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भेज के, मैसेजेस भेज के वो आइडिया को तुरंत कैप्चर करके बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Now that's a different thing whether they really earned money out of it or not. But see, a quick idea, quick opportunity which was their COVID-19, converting it to a sellable idea, right? So this is the economic theory of entrepreneurship, how quickly people, right, exploit the opportunity. Is he able to add some value to the product? If there is an existing product, then is he able to add some value to that? Will that value of something increase money? If the skills are included into that, will that add some money? And whether your product will be able to survive and compete with the other products into the market. So this is all related to the economic theory of the entrepreneurship. It is related to converting the opportunity ideas into a sellable market product. Next thing, or next are your, we are going to start now with the factors. Guys, see, we are starting with the first factor, which is your personality factors. Out of all the factors, we are going to start with the first one, which are called as the personality factors. One by one, we are going to go into the detail of all the factors. So let us start, guys. What does the personal factors or personality factors show? It shows what is your personality of taking a risk. Are you able to take a risk? If you take a risk, hurdles are going to come. Do you have tolerance to take those hurdles and face the adverse situations? This shows your personality. Are you able to deal with the poor family condition or the poor financial background? Will you be able to handle it? If yes, you are a good risk bearer and you have good personal factors, you can say that. If your education is less, or if your family and your friends' education is less or mediocre, right? Will that be an hurdle to your business or entrepreneurship? No, it should not become, right? So your personal factors, whatever is your personal factors, right, you should not let them hinder or affect your entrepreneurship. अगर आपको entrepreneur बनना है, if you want to become an entrepreneur, any of these personal factors should not hinder, but these factors do impact, guys. Personal factors, these personal factors impact the entrepreneurship. Some people, if their family background is not good, instead of making it correct, they will always keep on crying, Are, I'm not lucky enough to get this, to get that. It's okay. Luck is a different thing. But don't let this affect the growth of your entrepreneurship. Instead of that, turn that disadvantage into an advantage. Turn that wrong thing into a better thing, right? So personal factors impact the growth of entrepreneurship. Some people think that after a certain age, I cannot start something new. Guys, um, there is a very famous sports person, right? A very famous a sports person. She was asked once that you are now 46 plus. She was either 47 or 48 years old, and during a press interview she was asked that you are 47 plus, so don't you think that now you should resign? A very nice and fantastic answer. She said that the ball which I'm using, or the ball with which I'm playing my sports, right, that doesn't know my age. The ball doesn't know my age. My hands drive the ball and my skills drive the ball, right? So there is nothing to worry about the age. See how fantastic answer she gave to those press people who were trying to demean her, to demotivate her. So age, people sometimes think that at a certain age, at a small age, I cannot start a business, cannot become an entrepreneur, or at a big age I cannot become an entrepreneur. No, any age you can become an entrepreneur. It has nothing to do with age, it has to do with your skills. वर्क हिस्ट्री, समटाइम्स पीपल हैज पुअर वर्क हिस्ट्री, पास्ट में उनका सब कुछ सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ, सो दे कीप ऑन थिंकिंग दैट इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कीप ऑन हैपनिंग रॉन्ग. नो, योर वर्क हिस्ट्री शुड नॉट इम्पैक्ट योर ऑन्टरप्रेन्योरशिप. एक बार गलत हुआ तो हर बार गलत ही होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ एंड स्टार्ट विथ अ न्यू थिंग. टॉलरेंस टू एम्बिग्विटी. एम्बिग्विटी का मतलब है कुछ गलत हो जाना, राइट? समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग, दैट इज एम्बिग्विटी. एम्बिगुअस, confusion, right? So do you have tolerance to ambiguity? Guys, am I audible to everyone? मेरी आवाज आ रही है या नहीं? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
राइट. सो सी, टॉलरेंस टू वर्क विथ अदर्स. क्या आप टीम में काम कर सकते हो? सम पीपल आर सो लाइक दैट देयर टेम्परामेंट इज सो हाई, राइट? दे कैन नॉट वर्क विथ अदर्स. उनका टॉलरेंस ही नहीं है किसी और के साथ टीम में काम करना. दिस इज रॉन्ग. यू शुड हैव टॉलरेंस टू वर्क विथ अदर्स. एंड अगर कुछ गलत हो जाता है, कंफ्यूजन होता है, मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है, right? Then with that mistake, confusion, ambiguity, you should be able to handle it. You should be able to drive it, solve it, and move ahead, work upon it. So these are the personal factors. See guys, what is said, the famous personalities, you take any good entrepreneur, right? Whether it is the Steve Jobs, whether it is Narayan Murthy, whether it is Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, if you see any of them, what personal factors they had, let us discuss that. Ek to they were willing to work for long hours, they worked for really long hours, they were risk bearers, everyone took a risk, राइट? आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, राइट? एक बार मैंने तुम लोगों को ये एग्जाम्पल दिया था गाइस. आई हैड गिवन यू दिस एग्जाम्पल दैट धीरूभाई अंबानी वाज इन जामनगर, राइट? एंड समवन there was there on the barren land, they were standing on a barren land, and they were eating a mango, Alfonso mango. So someone said that why not we start growing Alfonso mango over here. Mukesh Bhai Ambani also said that why not do this area, take this barren land area to convert it into growing of Alfonso mango. People laughed at it. But Dhirubhai and Mukesh Ambani took this as a challenge, took this as a risk. They converted that barren land, and after some time, after some years, Alfonso mango was grown into that barren land of Jamnagar. See the ability to take the risk, right? Self confidence. See, they had the self confidence that yes, we can do it. Any hurdle should come, we will solve the hurdle and still we will do it. They were the hard working people. Biggest personal factor which should be there in a entrepreneur, you should be hardworking, right? Anything in life doesn't come easy, path is never straight, right? There are going to be hurdles and you have to work hard to remove those hurdles. You should take initiative. अरे कोई और करेगा then I will do it. No, don't wait for someone else to do it. You do it. You take an initiative. Proactiveness, right? You should be proactive, right? You should see guys, there is one word which is active and one third word which is proactive. Proactiveness should be there, right? You should take initiative and do it as quickly as possible. आज का काम आज करे, कल पे ना छोड़े. Proactiveness, perseverance, right? Ability to positively see the things. A good planner. See, guys, anything which is unplanned is going to go wrong. Even though every plan doesn't be successful, doesn't mean that you should not plan. If you have planned, then at some point of time you will be able to check whether what I had planned, am I able to achieve it at this stage or not? and a very good example of all the good famous personalities. They are all innovators. Entrepreneurs biggest function is innovation. So guys, these are all the personal factors of an entrepreneur. After personal factors, you can see in the diagram itself, right? Before that, some personal factors we need to discuss. Let us do it. See, guys, communication is very important. I'm not talking about language. I'm not saying you should have a good English language. No, if you are in France, you should have a good French language. If you are in Gujarat, you should have a Gujarati language. I'm not talking about language. I'm talking about communication, right? You should have good communication. See, guys, what you want to convey, right? What actual message you want to convey to someone else, that message you should be able to convey properly. There should not be information gap. अगर इंफॉर्मेशन गैप रह जाता है, then the message will not be forwarded into the correct manner to the other person. There will be ambiguity, there will be some misconception, there will be some wrong steps will be taken, and then the problems will arise. And most of the problems in any industry, in any companies, occur because of the miscommunication. There is a miscommunication that should not take place. See, guys, market potentials are there. If you want to fight the competition, if you want to take the help of the technology, everything would be done with proper communication, right? Improper communication will lead to problem. You have to deal with the government also. You'll have to take the help of the financial institutions also. You'll have to work with the business consultants also. They will help you solve these problems, personal factors that would come in between of starting an entrepreneurship. So if you are a good communicator, that should not affect your entrepreneurship. Next, coming to one more personal factor, right, which you should solve. Yes, we are on the environmental factors. Sorry, what environmental factors can affect now? See, guys, environment का मतलब है how are the conditions around you. Where a person has starting the entrepreneurship, is he satisfied with the work? Does he feel that okay, my entrepreneurship is growing? Is he having that feeling that okay, entrepreneurship is growing? Does he feel the torture in the environment? Sometimes the work doesn't happen and people feel that okay, I'm getting tortured. I'm talking about the salaried people, guys, जो जॉब पे काम करते हैं. कभी कभी उनके आजू बाजू वर्क कंडीशंस नहीं अच्छी होती, वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते अपने काम से. उनको ऐसा लगता है मेरा पर्सनल ग्रोथ तो हो ही नहीं रहा है. उनको ऐसा लगता है दैट ओके, आई एम बीइंग टॉर्चर्ड. द एम्प्लॉयज विच गो थ्रू दीज प्रॉब्लम्स, right, they think that my personal needs are not satisfied. They are not self motivated. They feel that I'm insulted at the workplace. उनके पास बहुत सारी grievances है बताने के लिए, right? Then such individual will quit the job. ऐसे लोग अपनी जॉब छोड़ देते हैं एंड दे स्टार्ट विद द न्यू वेंचर, दे स्टार्ट विद द entrepreneurship. So sometimes the environmental factors are also the reason because of which the person is going to start with the entrepreneurship, his new entrepreneurship or startup business. Next is the political factors. See, guys, if in a country the government is not political stable, then the economic activity will not happen smooth. Continuous fluctuations in economy will be there, and that will impact the functioning of any entrepreneur, whether it's a big, small. Every entrepreneur will face that problems if the politically stable government is not there. कंटिन्यूसली कंट्री में प्रोटेस्ट होते रहते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंट प्रोटेस्ट आर हैपनिंग, frequent strikes are happening, then that will affect the economic activity. Imagine the farmers protests that are taking nowadays. Whether they are good protest, whether they are bad protest, we don't want to go into that. But there are protests nowadays in India, farmers protests in 2020 and 2021. Then those protests are definitely hindering the economic activities, right? People have blocked the roads of Delhi, and because of blocking the roads, many people are not going to move out from those roads. Even their own, those who are protesting, their own economic activities might have stopped. So this should not happen. Politically stable government should be there. If the government is bringing some unfair policies, right, the policies are not suitable to the farmers, not suitable to the entrepreneurs, irrational monetary policies the government is bringing, ऐसी policies जो entrepreneurs के हक में नहीं है, entrepreneurs feel that these policies are not good for us, then the unrest will be there in the country and people will start with the protest. So this should not happen. Political factors matters a lot, right? How can we solve it? This can be solved with the word which is called as samvad. In a democratic country, right, in a democracy, continuous dialogue between the government and entrepreneurs should take place, right? Government should take steps that after every certain amount of time they should arrange the meetings with the good entrepreneurs, with the entrepreneurs association, farmers association, business association, and see what grievances they have, right? So that grievances will be solved and political factors will not affect the entrepreneurship. Moving ahead, guys, socio-economic factors also affect the country. What are the social economic factors? See, some people have the customs and traditions. मेरे फैमिली में तो ऐसा चलता आ रहा है, मेरे फैमिली में तो ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा. These things are happening in my family, and every time only these things will happen in my family. They stick to the customs and tradition. That plays a dominant role in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs will not be able to grow because of this. Some staunch believers are there, right? That some people think that okay, consuming non-veg is not a good thing, तो वो अपना स्टार्टअप कभी भी उस एरिया में नहीं करेंगे. I'm just giving an example, please, no one should take it in a other way. Some people think that non-veg is not a good thing, तो कुछ भी स्टार्टअप which is related to non-veg वो कभी करेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि उनका कस्टम ट्रेडिशन उनके वो ऐसा बोलता है. गुड और बैड we are not going into now, we are just taking one example. सी रैशनैलिटी. रैशनैलिटी मतलब क्या? क्विकली किसी जजमेंट पे आ जाना, क्विकली किसी को ओपिनियन बना लेना, राइट? साउंड कंक्लूजन पे आ जाना कि अरे दिस इज द ओनली थिंग. रैशनैलिटी लाना, right? Less developed nations, right, underdeveloped nations, there is lot of rationality in those nations. They quickly judge others, and that will not let the growth of entrepreneurship. So this should not happen, right? This should not happen in any country. So these are the socio-economic factors. Custom, tradition, rationality are the socio-economic factors which are the hurdles to the growth of entrepreneurship, which impact the growth of entrepreneurship. Next, joint family system. See, Indians have joint family social system. This is a good thing, in fact. So what happens? Members gain wealth, they work hard, and they share amongst whatever they have earned amongst the family. So every time the socio-economic factors are bad, you cannot say. There are some good socio-economic factors also, because of which the entrepreneurship might go. See, a person in a joint family, he can borrow the money, right, finance from the members of the family, can start the business, and that business will grow, so entrepreneurship will grow. So positive factors, socio-economic factors are also there. So guys, what we have done, we have done political factors, we have done environmental factors, we have done political factors also, we have done socio-economic factors. Now let us move to the other part, right? In socio-economic factors, guys, one more thing is that, see, in some countries there is a negative approach to start a new venture or a new startup, right? They don't promote education, but they will have to understand that education is a must. रिसर्च करना, ट्रेनिंग लेना और फिर अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना, दिस इज अ मस्ट. So some countries have a social setup which is a hindrance. अभी वहाँ पे education उतना नहीं गया है deep down into their society. Education has not penetrated deep down into the society. So because of lack of education, lack of knowledge, right, they don't support the startups or entrepreneurship, which is a wrong thing. This should not happen, right? So this is also one of the socio-economic factor. See, caste, religion, that affects the entrepreneurship. Family background, this should not affect, but it affects the entrepreneurship. Level of education, sometimes people think that if I'm only MBA, then only I will be able to do business. No, you are a BCom, you are a BA, you are a BSc, you are a BE, anything, you can do business. Even if you are a simple eighth pass, a college dropout, many of the good entrepreneurs are college dropouts. They have not completed their college dropouts have a look, पर फिर भी they have been successful. So it's nothing like that, right? Level of perception, how positively you take the things. Migration conditions, sometimes people have to move from one place to another, they have to migrate. So will that migration affect the entrepreneurship, right? Social mobility, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह social conditions की वजह से move कर जाना, right? Social security, some people think that in particular region of a state or a country I am not secure, that will affect the entrepreneurship. Imagine the areas of Naxalites, right, in India, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, right, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, areas of Uttar Pradesh, Naxal regions. People don't feel secure over there. Social security is not there, so that will affect the entrepreneurship. वहाँ पे entrepreneurship grow नहीं कर सकती है. People with less ambition or less motivation, if you're less ambitious about your work, not at all motivated or less motivated, not self motivated, that will affect the entrepreneurship, right? So these are the social economic factors that affect the entrepreneurship. Some people think I'm not able to invest a lot. Doesn't matter, you can borrow, you can lend from others, you can buy from others, you can take loans from others, right? So that should not affect the entrepreneurship. Moving ahead, guys, the economic factors, now we are on this point of your diagram. Economic factor में सबसे पहला है non availability of capital, and what should government do for that, right? There should be fixed or working capital so that entrepreneurship should grow. See guys, because of lack of entrepreneurship, lack of resources, sorry, many entrepreneurs, potential entrepreneurs could not start their business. So it deters, it harms, it affects the potential entrepreneurs and very good entrepreneurs who had in them, but still because of lack of capital, they couldn't start a business. This should not happen, right? Next, see if the problems are acute, where they are more difficult in the developing nations. The developed nations, it's okay with them, they can provide funds, they can give money. But the developing nations, there is, if there is a lack of money, then the businesses won't flourish, the industries won't be set up, entrepreneurship won't be set up. So capital is one of the biggest economic hurdle. The government in those countries, what should it do? It should set up a capital market, right, in such a way that newer and innovative capital market instruments are included, financial instrument institutions become strong, and everyone who is desiring to start an entrepreneurship can start the business. So it is the role of government to ease out the policies, ease out and make the financial institutions strong from where they can take money. Next is, guys, the basic infrastructure, availability of labor, availability of machines and material. See, government should give the factory sheds at concessional rates to the person who starts finding the entrepreneurship. The government should help that everyone gets supply of power. The government should work upon delivering water to the places in roads, in rural areas of a state. Coal and other sources of energy should be available so that the power will be generated. Government should make sure that the transport facilities are there even to the ruralist area of a country. Train ke railway ke wagons, right, they should be available at less cost so one can supply the materials from one place to another. This everything government plays an important role. So good government of any country should make availability of the basic infrastructure, because if the basic infrastructure is not there, the government will not be able to set up, right? See, Labor Institute of India, ऐसे कुछ अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस गवर्नमेंट को स्टार्ट करने चाहिए, प्रमोट करने चाहिए, जहां पे पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम रूरल इंडिया कैन टेक और डेवलप देयर स्किल एंड दे कैन, there should be no shortage because of the availability of labor, unavailability of labor. So ये जो प्रॉब्लम है कि लेबर नहीं मिलता है इंडस्ट्रीज को, वो गवर्नमेंट कैसे सॉल्व कर सकती है? बाय सेटिंग अप द labor institute. In Ahmedabad also we have one labor institute. Guys, किसी को पता है the labor institute in Ahmedabad? અમદાવાદમાં ક્યાં છે, કોઈને ખબર છે guys? Where there is a labor institute in India? Am I audible to everyone? मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, महात्मा गांधी लेबर इंस्टीट्यूट, right? Mahatma Gandhi Labor Institute of India. That is one of the labor institutes which works towards providing a sustainable and good skilled trained labor to the industries, right? So this should be there. Next, high risk in business. This is one of the economic factor. See guys, the developing nations or underdeveloped nations, वहां पे रिस्क ज्यादा है. कस्टम, ट्रेडिशन, लोग जल्दी entrepreneurship को बढ़ावा नहीं देते हैं. These are the reasons because the risks is not taken in the entrepreneurship. Considerable instability, domestic and foreign economic policies में there is a gap. Economic policies वहां अलग है और यहाँ अलग है, right? So because of that, it is happening. Next, there is instability in the market, right? Seasonal fluctuations, demand खड़ी हो जाती है. कभी कुछ सीजन में धंधा अच्छा होता है, कभी कुछ सीजन्स में बुरा हो जाता है, right? Export of these countries are subject to violent swing of prosperity and depression in the importing the things to the other countries. So export import is not good, right? So because of this also the high risk is there in the business. Other factors are entrepreneurial education. See guys, अपने Indian system में till many years there was no subject which was introduced, right? So a suitable program of entrepreneurial education should be introduced. एक subject के जैसे introduce करना चाहिए school level पे. So young minds will realize the importance of entrepreneurship, and at certain age they will decide that okay, I'm going to become the entrepreneur. So अपना education pattern ही ऐसे change करना चाहिए. Guys, NCERT, there is a book of NCERT, right? So the courses are there of entrepreneur in IGNOU, in the CBSE board exams. Education में ये subject introduce हो गया है. So there is a need of time that everyone should be taught the subject of entrepreneurship. Only then the entrepreneurship will grow. Other things is institutional. Other factors are institutional factors. See guys, there should be someone to advise the entrepreneurs, to tell them where are the sources of raw materials, finance. There should be someone who should teach the technical know-how, tools and equipments to the entrepreneur, right? So entrepreneurs should know that where there are opportunities and threats. Entrepreneurs should know कैसी government policies function कर रही है आजकल, right? कैसे इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमी का सीन है बाहर, तो अपना बिजनेस कैसे स्टार्ट करूं मैं, right? So अगर ऐसा कोई नहीं है, then the authorities of government should publish this on the government sites. So these institutes should guide the entrepreneur, or else entrepreneur can hire such experts for himself to guide him, right? Next are the legal education. See, many people don't know what is the legal issue associated with starting a new entrepreneurship, right? So government role is important, that what are the legal things which are associated वो entrepreneurs को समझाया जाए. Small sectors, whether it is MSME, whether it is a large sectors, so what permission I need to take from the government? If I don't take a permission to start an entrepreneurship, what legal steps will be taken against me as an entrepreneur? ये सारी चीजें entrepreneurs को पता होनी चाहिए, right? So that the government should take important role in this legal issues, legal factors. Procedural education, काफी लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि क्या है ब्यूरोक्रेटिक प्रोसीजर्स, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज में क्या क्या प्रोसीजर करवानी पड़ेगी, राइट? फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में कभी कभी लंबी लाइनें लगी रहती है, दिन ब दिन आपको रोज जाना पड़ेगा, एंड इट इज अ ग्रेट हिंड्रेंस. आपका काफी सारा टाइम उसमें चला जाएगा, लॉट ऑफ टाइम विल बी वेस्टेड इन दैट, राइट? सो यूल हैव, आपको काफी टाइम ऑफिस के, बहुत सारे ऑफिस के चक्कर लगवाने पड़ेंगे, आपको लॉज एंड रूल्स पता करने पड़ेंगे, उसके हिसाब से आपको काउंट करना पड़ेगा, लॉट ऑफ टाइम विल बी वेस्टेड. सो ये प्रोसीजरल एजुकेशन कैसे इजी किया जाए, हाउ द entrepreneur will have easy access to this bureaucracy, that is the role of an government, and to remove this hindrance of the procedural education. क्या क्या legal restrictions है? If someone is starting an industry, an entrepreneurship, you cannot let the water go, the polluted water go into any of the area which is attached to the city, right? So ये legal issues है, legal restrictions है. ऐसा कौन बताएगा entrepreneurs को? Sometimes they are not doing purposefully, they are doing it because of the lack of education. So these procedural education, government should make it easy, should publish it on sites, or should develop some programs so that every time entrepreneurs can have access to them. Impact of service sector. Guys, services क्या है? उबर, ओला, स्विगी, जोमैटो, ये सारे सर्विसेज है, राइट? सो ये सारे सर्विसेज फैक्टर का भी जीडीपी में आधा हिस्सा है. तो सर्विस फैक्टर शुड बी गिवन इंपॉर्टेंस, नॉट जस्ट द प्रोडक्ट फैक्टर. फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट नहीं, सर्विसेज फैक्टर्स को भी गवर्नमेंट को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. इंक्रीजिंग वेराइटी, अगर वेराइटी ही नहीं है तो कस्टमर आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं परचेज करेगा, राइट? एथिकल वैल्यू सिस्टम, एथिक्स प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. मैं कोई गलत काम नहीं करूंगा, कुछ भी पाने के लिए, मेरा बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए गलत काम नहीं करूंगा. दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ एथिकल वैल्यू सिस्टम. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग जस्ट टू रन माय बिजनेस, राइट? Technology, modern technology, the entrepreneur should be able to use free Wi-Fi, free R&D, research help to the customer, how faster mode of communication will be given to the entrepreneur so he can make his business fast growing. These all are the technology factors, right? Other factors are computer automation, how someone should know the GST. GST के बारे में पता ही नहीं है, then how will he will go? Computerized things should be made understood to the entrepreneur. ग्लोबलाइजेशन, बाहर क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में भी entrepreneur को पता चलना है. The boundaries of only one country is not going to help him. He should know every competition in and outside his own country, right? So guys, this was the factors affecting entrepreneurship. I finished my topic for this